Well, today we shine the spotlight on a woman who fights for those who may not have the loudest voices, but she says they have plenty to offer, especially in the workforce. Meet Shawn Ullman. She is this week's DMV Doer. Shawn Ullman is the CEO of Quality Trust. They advocate for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities.
Our mission is to be a force for change in the lives of people with intellectual and developmental disabilities and their families in DC. And what we mean by that is really at the core of who we are is advocacy.
The organization was founded over 20 years ago after concerns the district didn't provide enough support for people with disabilities.
Gives us this really unique role where we can go into the programs and the homes and the places where people are receiving services and see if they're getting what they need. And if we identify that they aren't getting what they need, then we advocate to make sure that they are.
Shawn says getting men and women with disabilities employment is a top priority. Seeing them succeed makes all the work worthwhile. She talks about how her team identified a language barrier at a training program that made it difficult for a man to find the job.
They helped identify a new day program, which was a much better fit. They had Spanish-speaking staff, and they provided hospitality and customer service training. He was actually able to get a job at the Food and Drug Administration.
Shawn will continue her advocacy work to help break the stigma. She says that motivation, along with working with her staff, keeps her going.
They may need some different supports and services than someone without a disability would need, but at the end of the day, they're a friend or a family member or a coworker or someone who's right there, and that you notice that role before you notice the disability.